To set this from scratch, we use one of these, which comes with the machine. It's called an angle master. It's got two dials on it. One dial sets the diameter of the wheel, which is constantly getting worn away and getting smaller. So I've dialed in around 180 millimeters diameter for that one. And then the other one gives you the angle at which you're going to grind. So I've set that at 25 degrees. Now these 2 points now sit on the wheel like so. And we need to move this angle master up to the edge of the chisel and then get the projection right so that that edge just touches the edge of the chisel. And here I need to just move it out very slightly for the chisel to meet the angle master properly. So I'll do that. Good. So lock that off nice and tight. Now the wheel spins towards you. Make sure there's enough water in the trough to keep it wet to take the swarf away. And now I just need to move this across the whole stone, left to right. Until I've ground the whole edge back. So there's no honed edge left at all, there's just a ground surface there. So very easy once you're set up. Okay.